pull-off. Pull-offs are another commonly used technique in guitar playing. Just like hammer-ons, they add unique and subtle nuances to your lead playing. How to play a pull-off. Let's use the high E strings frets 5 and 7 as an example. Start by fretting both the 5th and 7th frets with your index and ring fingers, like this. Pick the 7th fret, and while the note is still ringing, pull your ring finger down towards the floor quickly without releasing the index finger's pressure. Your index finger should remain on the 5th fret, causing that note to ring out like this. So the first note will come from picking the string normally, and the second note will come from the pull-off. Here's a comparison between playing with and without pull-offs. Notice the difference in sound? Just like hammer-ons, pull-offs can also be played with any finger on any part of the fretboard. For example, like this. Or this.